Welcome to part 19, updating and upgrading with apt. This video is for all users. So apt stands for Advanced Packaging Tool, and it's used to install and manage software packages. So we're going to call these two commands, they'll be the first two commands that we run on our server. Apt update, what it does is it finds all of the packages on the current machine that are able to be that have available updates. It won't update them, it'll just locate them and create a list essentially of all of the packages that are available to be updated. So let's go ahead and run this one, apt update, and this will take some time. It's going to go through and find all of these packages like that. So it says 100, it finds that 113 packages can be upgraded. And next, this next command will actually upgrade those packages. So let's go ahead and run that one. This one will take quite a bit longer to do. It's going to take quite a lot of disk space. That's fine. We'll just say yes. And so it's going to, all those available packages that can get upgraded, it's going to upgrade them. So this is just a common two sets of commands to do whenever you first start an instance. Figure out which packages can get updated and then to actually perform the update itself. All right, that finally finished. It took my machine a few minutes to complete, but that's how we get our machine set up and ready for the next set of commands.